hindi naman ito ombudsman for the people, parang ombudsman ito against DP Sara Duterte. Tingnan mo, ang daming crimes ngayon, ang daming mga betrayal ng tao, lalo na yung mga billions of pesos na ninakaw. And it's not only a fantasy. Talagang it could no longer be denied, yung ghost projects involving billions. Pero tingnan mo yung kanyang sinabi kagad. Kalkalin niya ang salin ng Vice President. What's that? At saka yung confidential funds na 125 million. Wala pang indication of graft and corruption. Ang issue lang dyan is whether or not there was a misuse. At saka yung office na under the law, under the Constitution, na magtitingin kung may misuse pa ang Commission on Audit. Nandiyan pa rin yan eh. Saka, sino pa talaga ang mayroong confidential funds na nakasuhan because of confidential funds? Wala talaga yan. I don't know how they are going to create a narrative, to invent a lie, just to bring down the Vice President.
O ba yung nasurpresa o isang magandang ideya ho ba na maging ombudsman o bagong ombudsman itong si dating Justice Secretary Boying Rimulya?
Disappointed but expected. Disappointed in the sense na parang nawala yung requirements o inaasahan yung the principle behind creating the Office of the Ombudsman, yung requirement ng